Hi, my name is Tengku Zatashah and I'm here to read for you, Read at Home, the Gadis chapter. And my book is called The Last Kingdoms. It is written by Dhakchynie and illustrated by Dhakchynie and Dhakchynie, who are university students. So let us begin. The Three Kingdoms by Dhakchynie. Once upon a time, there were three kingdoms with majestic castles. These three kingdoms were ruled by three beautiful queens who were sisters. The queens of the kingdoms always wanted to be the best. They had the same sizes of castles, but they were gifted with different gifts from a fairy. The gift received by the elder sister was bravery. Everyone in her kingdom was brave and bold. They could win any battle. The second sister's gift was education. Everyone in her kingdom was educated, and they could invent machines and lights. All the children would attend school to learn new things. The younger sister's kingdom's gift was wealth. They had the most expensive items in the world, and everyone wore expensive jewelry. They also ate in gold plates. However, all the three sisters did not share their gifts with each other, since they felt that the gift they had was the only thing that a girl needed the most in their lives. One day, the Southern Kingdom announced that they'd wanted to take over the lands of the three kingdoms. So the sisters sat together in a royal meeting for the first time to talk about the issue. Days went by, but they could not make a decision. The younger sister wanted to buy the Southern Kingdom with the money she had, whilst the elder sister wanted to put up a battle with the Southern Kingdom till they would all run away. The second sister wanted to use the law of the country to fight. Nobody supported each other, and this turned into a big fight. All of a sudden, a mythical creature appeared in front of them. The queens were shocked and couldn't believe their eyes. The creature was a beautiful fairy. The fairy started to speak. I am the fairy of all the elements in the world. I am here because there has been a call from the people seeking help. The kingdom is being destroyed. The queens agreed, and they did not know what to do. That's when the fairy gave a great idea to the queens. She said that they had to combine all of their gifts to settle the problem. The queens were initially confused, but then they found an idea. On the day of the battle, they met in the middle of the kingdoms. The Southern Kingdom came prepared with swords and shields. The Queen's kingdoms came with big machines made by the Education Kingdom. The Education Kingdom had also come up with an extraordinary battle strategy to win the battle. The people of the Bravery Kingdom came all covered with shining armor. It was made from pure silver and gold from the Wealth Kingdom. The battle began, and it went on for days. In the end, the queens won the battle. The Southern Kingdom had to bring all their people back home, and the three queens cheered for their victory. From that day onwards, the three queens decided to end their fight. They knew that all their gifts are important, and every girl should hold on to these three gifts: bravery, education, and enough wealth in their lives. So a little fun vocabulary to share with you. Brilliant means smart, majestic is big, and bold, a person who takes risks. So I hope you enjoyed the reading. For me, reading is important because it brings happiness, it lets your imagination run, and I hope you really enjoyed that story. Thank you so much.